welcome back to Live from the Camper House Edition. My name's Tony, and today we're gonna make air fried Oreos. Whenever I'm looking for a recipe, I try to find three key things. One, is it fast? Two, is it easy? And three, is it delicious? Well, this hits all three. So are you ready? Good, let's start cooking. Here's what you're gonna need to make those air fried Oreos. Oreos, Crescent Rolls, powdered sugar, little chocolate syrup, and that's it. Let's pop open those Crescent Rolls. So you can cook about 5 at a time. So let's start off with 5 and then we'll make the rest. Roll out your Crescent Rolls. Take one of the cookies, put it in the middle, and just flip it over like this. Make sure you just cover it all. See that? It's just that easy. If you have excess, just tear it off. You don't want it too thick. Once you get the first batch all wrapped up, we're gonna air crisp at 350 degrees for about 5 to 6 minutes. Make sure you spritz the basket with a little oil, not a lot. Let's put them in. Again, air crisp at 350 degrees for 5 to 6 minutes. Now while you're waiting, go ahead and hit that little red button down there and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so you know when my new videos come out. And come on over to the Ninja Foodi and Instapot universe. It's over on Facebook. It's our group page. That's where we exchange all of our recipes, pictures, and all that good stuff. So come on over and check it out. Now let's go ahead and get the rest of that dough and wrap up the rest of the cookies. All right, timers went off. Let's see how it is. Okay, well I did it for 6 minutes. Looks like I can go for a couple more minutes. So let's put it in for 3 more minutes. You know what the problem is? I didn't preheat the Ninja Foodi. If you preheat it, you cut your cooking time in half. So preheat your Ninja Foodi for 5 minutes, then throw the cookies in there and cook them for 5 to 6 minutes. Then they'll be perfect. But we're gonna have to hit them for about 3 more minutes. All right, the timer went off. Let's check it out. Now they're perfect. See how they're nice and brown? Let's go ahead and take them out. Put them on a plate to cool down a little bit. Now place the rest of the cookies in. Make sure you put the ugly seam side down with the pretty side up. And now that this is preheated, these should only take about 5 to 6 minutes. All right, the Oreo's been cooking for about 5 minutes. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, they're perfect. So once again, if you preheat the Ninja Foodi, it takes about 5 minutes. If you don't, they take about 8 minutes. They are perfect. So look at that. In less than 15 minutes, we have air fried Oreos. Now you put your toppings on. I like to put a little chocolate sauce over it. Oh yeah, look at that. Now hit it with a little powdered sugar. Doesn't that look amazing? All right, we've hit the easy, we've hit the fast. Now let's see if we hit that delicious. course I'm wearing black and using powdered sugar. Duh. Man, these are fantastic. They taste so good. Just like you're back at the county fair. So good, so fast, so easy to make. So I got one question for you. Are you hungry? Good. Let's eat.